You may wonder why Korean skins are 10 times younger than it looks and is glowing. I'll tell you why. Western obsession with anti-aging is exactly what's causing your skin to age faster. It sounds strange, but we spend billions of dollars on intensive acid pills, aggressive retinols, and abrasive scrubs, trying to force our skin to look younger by burning off the top layer. But if you walk down the streets of Seoul right now, which I have, you will notice something incredible. Men and women in their 40s and 50s walking around with skins that looks like belongs to a 20-year-old. No redness, no flaking, just an effortless, amazing glow. You may think, so Nima, it's just genetics, or they do a crazy expensive 10-step routine every single night. But let me tell you, it's actually what the dermatological data tells you is completely a different story. It's not about their DNA, and it's definitely not about scrubbing your face 10 times a day. It comes down to a fundamental difference in how they treat their skin. Western skincare focuses on destruction and correction, where, on the contrary, Korean skincare focuses on protection and hydration. And there is one specific biological habit that locks water into your skin cells and physically prevents wrinkles from forming. Hey, it's Nima here. Today, we are stripping away the marketing hype and looking at the actual biological fact behind Korean skincare. I'm going to show you why that squeaky clean feeling after washing your face is actually a massive red flag, and how to use a biological hack to rebuild your skin's moisture armor. But wait, it gets even better. You don't need a 10-step routine or a plane ticket to South Korea to do this. You just need to change the first 3 seconds after you step out of the shower. Let's talk about what is secretly happening to your face when you wash it. Your skin has an invisible microscopic shield, which I'm not going to call, but it's made of dead skins held together by lipids. Think of it like a brick wall, where the cells are the brakes and the lipids, like ceramides, acts like glue. In the West, we love foaming cleansers that leave our skin feeling tight and squeaky clean. But that squeaky feeling means you just stripped away your skin's most beneficial shield. When your skin's barrier is compromised, water evaporates out of your skin at a rapid rate. But when happens, your skin panics. It pumps out excess oil to overcompensate, causing breakouts, pimples, while the deeper layers dry out, causing micro wrinkles and chronic inflammation. That's where Korean skincare philosophy comes to the view and views the skin not as a canvas to be scrubbed, but as an ecosystem to be fed. And it all starts with a magic pH number, pH 5.5. That is where your skin's neutral, happy state sits. Traditional soaps and harsh foaming cleansers sit at an alkaline pH of 8 or 9. When you use them, you shock your skin's microbiome. Korean cleansers are meticulously formulated to be slightly acidic to match your skin, cleaning away dirt without ever breaking down that protective brick wall. But here's where most people get this wrong. You can use the most gentle cleanser in the world, but if you dry your skin and walk around your bedroom for 5 minutes before putting on your moisturizer, you are still aging your skin. This is where the 3-second rule comes in. In Korean beauty culture, it's a great sin to let your face completely dry out after cleaning. Dermatological studies show that the moment water evaporates off your skin, it takes the skin's internal moisture with it. The longer you wait, the more your skin's permeability drops. by applying your first layer of hydration like a watery essence or toner within 3 seconds of patting your face with a towel. You keep that moisture into your skin's cells. You are essentially turning your skin from a dry, impenetrable piece of leather into a damp sponge. When your skin is damp, it absorbs active ingredients up to 10 times more effectively. And what are those ingredients? Instead of relying purely on harsh acids, Korean formulations rely on cellular healers. Ingredients like Centella asiatica, also known as tiger grass. A study shows that Centella physically stimulates collagen synthesis and promotes blood flow to your skin, healing microscopic wounds and calming the exact inflammation that causes premature aging. So how do we take all this beautiful dermal science and inject it directly into your bathroom routine? I'll tell you how. Take notes. We are going to implement the glass skin protocol. These steps you can start even tonight to rebuild your moisture armor and reverse years of barrier damage. Step 1. The 5.5 pH audit. Go into your bathroom right now and check your cleanser. If it foams up like shaving cream, makes your face feel tight, or contains sulfate like SLS, throw it in the trash. And I'm sorry, you have to switch it to a gentle low pH cleanser. You want a texture that is milky, jelly-like, or an oil cleanser. Your skin should feel soft, hydrated, and calm after washing. Never squeaky or tight. Step 2. The 3-second hydration window. Stop aggressively rubbing your face with a dirty bath towel. After rinsing gently, press a clean towel to your face just once to catch the drips while your skin is still physically damp to the touch. Immediately press in a hydrating liquid, a toner, essence, or hydrochloric acid serum within 3 seconds. I recommend you do this constantly for 7 days. The chronic redness around your nose and cheeks will drop by half, simply because you've stopped your skin water loss. And the last step, the barrier seal. You need to protect your cellulite brick wall. Apply a moisturizer rich in ceramides, panthenol, or Centella asiatica. Ceramides are the exact lipids your skin naturally produces. You are literally spackling the macroscopic cracks in your face before you go to sleep. And a pro tip, to make things easier, keep your hydrating toner or serum literally on the edge of your sink. Do not leave the bathroom without putting it on. If you walk into your bedroom with a bare face, you've already lost the battle. Time matters the most. Aging skin isn't just about the passage of time. It's a reflection of how well you've protected your skin barrier. The secret to glowing, youthful skin isn't burning it off and starting over. It's actually a gentle consistency. Remember the pH 5.5 and the 3-second rule. Stop stripping your natural skin barrier. Trap that water immediately and feed your skin the ingredient it needs to heal itself. So let me know and be as honest as you can. Does your face wash leave your skin feeling squeaky clean? Drop a comment down below. And if you found this video helpful, I would appreciate you hit the like button, subscribe, and save it. See you in the next one.